Hello, my lovely people. You're welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijoma Gloria, a YouTuber based in Italy. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please feel free, relax, and enjoy. Today's episode is going to be very interesting. All right, in today's video, we're going to be looking at a topic, prove them wrong. Yes, prove them wrong. Who are we talking about? Who are we referring to as the them? You and I. So if you're interested to see how we're going to prove them wrong, please keep on watching. It may sound funny if I say I love it when people doubt me. Yes. But when people doubt me, it makes me work harder in order to prove them wrong. Now, there are two different things, proving them wrong and pleasing them. We are not here to please anyone. No, we don't owe anybody anything, but want to prove them wrong in those things they have said we can't achieve, in those things that they have said we cannot do. So how do we achieve these things? How do we actually prove them wrong? Let's look at these areas. Number one is being a bit secretive. Yes, when I say being secretive, let me tell you something. It may be a secret to you. When people doubt you, they don't just fold their arms or walk away. They are watching you. They are monitoring you. They are nosing around to hear from you. They are nosing around your neighborhood to see if really those things they have doubted, whether they are really coming to pass. So bear in mind next time that when someone has said something negative about you, that person will keep watching you. That person will keep monitoring you. So what do? You have to be very secretive about the procedures you're taking. For example, if someone has said, this man, you're good for nothing, you can't even build a house, what do you have to show, blah blah blah. What you have to do is, if you're on the verge of building a house, you don't need to go announcing it. Maybe you just laid the foundation and there you are blowing your trumpet. No, what we're interested in is the success, the end product. Don't tell us the process. People are watching, and when they keep doubting you, you are discouraged, you feel bad, you can no longer forge ahead. So what do? We need the end product. We need the testimony, and people will begin to marvel. Wow, so he really achieved this. If people have said you're a barren woman, you cannot have a child, when God decides to visit you, my sister, keep it to yourself until when it's necessary. Not that you're 3 hours pregnant and you begin to blow your trumpet. People are watching you. What we're interested to see now is the success. We want the testimony. We don't want the process. So next time when you think of proving them wrong, think of being a bit secretive. Now, in being secretive, I didn't ask you to fear somebody. I didn't ask you to suspect anybody. It's just applying wisdom. At the right time, people will hear of your success story. And I tell you, those people that have said negative things about you will come rejoicing. Prove them wrong with your lifestyle. Yes. People have known you for a particular kind of lifestyle. It could be lateness, it could be laziness, bragging, gossip, telling lies, so many things people have known you for. You can prove them wrong. How do you do it? Take a step at a time. Maybe people have known you to be a latecomer. In church, you are late. At every function, you are late. What do? Take a step at a time. Maybe on Sunday, you decide to go to church. Go on time. If possible, be the first person in church. Take the front seat, balance. And when people see you, they'll be surprised. Some people even bet on your behalf. Bet me she's going to be late. Bet me he's going to be late. He can't do this, he can't do that. And when people see you, they will be surprised. This area may not be easy to change because it's something you have been doing over time. But when you take a step at a time, you will see that it really works. And then you will prove them wrong. Another area you can prove people wrong is in your challenges. This is one of the most difficult things to do. You're passing through a difficult challenge and then you're still proving people wrong. It's not going to be easy, but you can do it. Prove them wrong. What is that thing you're waiting for? It could be a life partner, it could be a job, a business, success in one thing or the other, fruit of the womb. People will begin to expect you to behave in a certain way. They will begin to expect you to be withdrawn from the society. Why should you be withdrawn? Everybody in life has a challenge. My challenge may not be your challenge. So whatever your challenge is, you have to comport yourself until it's time for your breakthrough. So people will keep watching you. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. It could be you're looking for a life partner, you're believing God for a life partner. It's not the end of the world. If people invite you for wedding ceremonies, honor their invitation. Don't say because I don't have mine, I'm not going to honor this invitation. No, it's wrong. People will be watching you. You prove them wrong. You go, you smile, you rejoice with those that are rejoicing. So the way you behave when you're passing through a challenge matters a lot. This type of situation will give you so much joy if you surmount it. And I tell you, when your testimony eventually comes, you know this kind of testimony songs we sing. In fact, it's even more to spite your neighbor than to praise God. You will begin to sing. Asinambuahia amandiro me populamo. Asinambuahia amandiro me populamo. Hey, you begin to rejoice because in your challenge you did not give up. Prove them wrong. Even in your challenge, it's not easy, but it's possible. So I'm encouraging you today. Prove them wrong. Whatever challenge you're passing through today, remain steadfast. Don't allow what people have said to come to pass. It is only God that has the final say. Prove them wrong with integrity. Integrity is very important. It should be our watchword. Integrity will make people to trust you rather than to doubt you. So let's try to build up our integrity, please. It will really help you to prove people wrong. When it's time to pay your rent, please pay. If you borrow money, please pay back as at when due. If you're a boss, pay salaries when you have promised to pay salaries. If you're an employee, please try to do what you have been asked to do. We are all affected in one area or the other. Let's try and live up to expectation. There are so many people today that, in fact, they cannot do anything because they cannot be trusted. People cannot trust them. Artisans cannot be trusted. Nobody is to be trusted. You give somebody a job, he collects some deposit from you, and at the end of the day, he will not deliver the job. There are fraudsters here and there. People have lost their integrity. People have lost their pride because of money, and it's a big shame. With that, you can't prove people wrong. But when you beef up your integrity, people will stand up for you. Even when they are trying to doubt you, you will prove them wrong by the kind of things you do. You tell someone, come by 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. should be 8 a.m. Because if you begin to have any dents on your integrity, people are not going to trust you. If you tell someone to come by 8 and by 8 you're just entering the shower room, next time if you tell them to come by 8, they will visit you by 10. So if you beef up your integrity, you will prove people wrong. Prove them wrong with contentment and faith. Now, contentment doesn't mean you're lazy. Contentment doesn't mean that you don't want to work harder to get better. It means that at the stage where you find yourself, you're okay, you're happy, you're thankful, but you're hoping to get better. So when people doubt you, when they see you in such mood, they begin to wonder what is the source of her joy. She doesn't have so many cars, she's not rich, she's not married, she doesn't have anything, and yet she's happy. Prove them wrong with your smile. Prove them wrong with your positive attitude. That way, people will begin to wonder. And that's where people will ask you, sister, what is the source of your joy? And then you will blush and say, na God do. So let na God do be your positive statement. Let na God do always guide you to proving them wrong. My lovely and beautiful people, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please Click on the like button, share this video with your family and friends, leave me a comment, and subscribe to this channel. A lot of you have been watching, but you're not subscribed to my channel. Now let's go over to the subscribe button. Let's go. It's red like this, my top. Click on it. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything. Then the notification bell, click on the option that says all. That way you'll be notified each time a juicy content as this pops up from this channel. Until I come your way next time, keep proving them wrong. Be that person nobody thought you could be. I love you all. See you.